Let's make the Mojito from the 12 Bottle Bar by David Solmonson and Lesley Jacob Solmonson. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the version of the Mojito from the 12 Bottle Bar by David Solmonson and Lesley Jacob Solmonson. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. I don't have much to say about this variant of the Mojito, except that it comes from the book. Note that I already do have a recipe for the Mojito here on the channel. Link to that will be down below if you'd like to check it out. And if you try them both, you can compare the differences. A note on the rum. The 12 Bottle Bar breaks their rum drinks into two categories, amber rum drinks and white rum drinks. And this is a white rum drink, so you're going to want to use a white rum. In my case, I'm going to be using Kiyomi. You can use a white rum of your choice, and if you find one that works really, really well in this drink, let me know what it is. To make this drink, we are going to start with our mint. We're going to put 10 to 12 mint leaves into the bottom of our Collins glass. And I did pre-count those, and they're small, so it's a little bit more than 12. And so you're going to have to adjust as necessary. And I'm going to muddle those. I'm not going to grind them to a pulp. I'm just going to press them a little bit to release the oils. Now I'm going to add my rum. 2 ounces of your white rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add your lime juice. 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters, half of 60. And your simple syrup. 1/2 ounce of 1:1 simple syrup. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. Finally, I'm going to add a spent lime shell. And I'm just going to drop that right in there. Make a little splash. Now I'm going to crush some ice. Got my ice crusher. I've got my ice crush maintenance bag to hold the crushed ice in. I'll be right back with you. Ice crushed. I'm going to pour that into my glass. Just about perfect. And then I'm going to top it off with club soda. And I'm using a Schweppes club soda. You can use any club soda that you so desire. Oh, that was fun. I kind of dazed there for a moment. I was going to pour that all over the top. Anyway. And give it a gentle stir. Help pull some of those other flavors towards the top. Add a straw. My muddler almost fell off the countertop. And garnish. Garnish is going to be a sprig of mint. I wish I could get better mint, but here we are. Wake it up, as wake as it can get. There we go. That doesn't look too bad. And there you have it, the 12 Bottle Bar version of the Mojito. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. What is your favorite version of the Mojito? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me down in the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. While you're there, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it that far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.